In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your email in monday.com CRM. This process is fairly straightforward and won't take much of your time, but it will greatly enhance your ability to manage communications within your CRM system effectively. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to monday.com, open up your preferred web browser and type in the monday.com URL. Once the site is fully loaded, you'll see a login option located in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to begin accessing your account. For logging in, you can choose the option to sign in with Google if that's more convenient for you. Alternatively, you can proceed by entering the email address associated with your account. If you chose to sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to select the email account you want to use. Just find the correct email address from your list and select it to continue. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There you should see a dotted square icon. Click on it, which will open up a menu of features. From here you need to select CRM. This selection will transition you to the Customer Relationship Management section of monday.com, where all subsequent steps will take place. Now let's head over to your Contacts tab. This is where you organize and manage all of your business contacts. Click on the tab to enter this section. Within the Contacts view, you will have various items listed, each representing different entries. Choose an item from the list to access the Update section, which holds key information and updates for each contact. In the Update section, you'll notice a plus symbol, which allows you to add new views. Click on this symbol, and from the ensuing list, select Emails and Activities. This choice will add a new view tailored to managing emails and corresponding activities, making it easier for you to handle communications linked to your contacts. Following that, look for the New Email button. This button initiates the process of setting up your email connection within the CRM. Click on it to proceed. You will see a pop-up appearing in the lower right of your screen asking you to log into your Gmail account. This step is crucial as it establishes the connection between your email and the monday.com CRM. Once you've successfully logged into your Gmail, you're all set up. You can now manage your emails directly from the monday.com CRM platform, streamlining your interaction and allowing for a more integrated approach to handling client communications. And there you have it, your email is now configured within monday.com CRM. This setup should facilitate better tracking and management of your correspondence. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.